Okay, howdy and welcome back. So we're moving right along here, and the next type that we'll introduce from the standard library is going to be the standard library string. Like all of these other types that are reside within the libraries, we have to essentially use it by including it. So if we'd like to introduce a std string into our program, make sure you pound include angle brackets string. The std string type is going to complement the string literals we introduced earlier in the semester, and it's going to do so by affording us the means to store them in a variety of useful string operations that we can employ to manipulate them. I didn't know what other string to use kind of than my full name. I guess maybe I'm lacking a little bit of creativity this morning, but here's an example. Let's say we'd like to create a new string. The type of object being declared is going to be standard library string. The name of that object is going to be full name. In this case, I'm initializing the string with Michael. The full name, I have the ability to actually concatenate to it. One of the useful string operations that we'll have available to us is going to be string concatenation. So I can write full name is going to get the new value of full name plus my last name. And I did include a white space so that it's not mushed together. Now, one of the cool features of a string is when we're, say, outputting it or writing it to a file, the streams know to read out each of the characters. If we were to do this for a vector, we'd see a sort of error message here, and we'd have to either provide a definition of what it means to print out a full vector, which is totally possible, and you'll learn about with operator overloading, function overloading, which is to come. But when we're dealing with strings, a lot of times, we want to go ahead and output the full string in its entirety. So we can just write to the standard output full name and write Michael Nowak to std out. There are a bunch of other useful string operations that we can apply. One of them is going to be to take a substring. So if I wanted to extract, say, the first name, my first name from that string, I could write full name dot substring 0, which is going to be the starting location of where I'm going to begin extracting characters from. And I'm going to go 7, and I'm going to extract 7 characters. Number of, sorry, I can't write this morning, of characters to extract. Now extract 7, and that will pull out my full name. And it will use my full name to initialize first name. Now, if I wanted to write my first name to standard output, we can go ahead and verify here that Michael is indeed written to std out. So you can learn, so that's just a very kind of limited introduction to string. If you want to learn about the other useful string operations that you can apply to objects of this type, or ask them to perform rather their behaviors, go ahead and go to this URL and just begin reading through it, and you'll see there's a lot of functionality that's afforded to you by using this type to represent your strings.